Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at DirectFX. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. DirectFX is a non-bank financial intermediary that was founded in 2001 and is based in New Zealand. This company is 100% New Zealand owned and provides foreign exchange services to individuals, businesses, and banks worldwide. DirectFX arranges global currency payments and transfers on behalf of its clients and offers better exchange rates than most banks do. For many years, banks have used DirectFX to arrange currency exchanges between each other, which adds to the credibility of this company. DirectFX is compliant with dispute resolution laws in Australia and New Zealand, and is a registered member of the Financial Ombudsman Service in Australia and the Financial Services Complaints Limited in New Zealand. As a DirectFX client, you will get access to a team of experienced currency advisors who will give you professional advice and contact you when specific rates become available. By using this company to arrange your currency payments, you can save time and money and potentially get the best rates in the market. With DirectFX, you can buy or sell currencies such as the Australian dollar, the US dollar, New Zealand dollars, euros, pounds, Canadian dollars, Japanese yen, the South African rand, and many more. These transactions go both ways, so you can sell South African rands and buy New Zealand dollars, or you can sell New Zealand dollars and buy South African rands. No transaction fees will be charged by DirectFX. However, an intermediary bank will usually charge fees when you do not transact using New Zealand dollars and Australian dollars. If you are unsure about the fees that will be charged by either DirectFX or the bank you are using, we recommend making a call to find out exactly how much you will pay before you do the transaction. You can find out more about the currencies you can buy and sell through DirectFX by hovering your cursor over the Exchange Rates tab and choosing one of the pairs from the drop-down menu. Once you have decided which currencies you would like to buy and sell, you can apply for an account and make your first transfer. If you require any assistance, you can reach the DirectFX customer support team via email or telephonically. Customer support is available during business hours on weekdays, and you will find direct emails for each department on the contact page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you require assistance with managing your account, using the application, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. DirectFX offers a sophisticated, user-friendly website that is easy to navigate. On the homepage, you will find interactive links to all the products and services offered, and you can also apply for an account or get a free quote by clicking on one of the listed buttons. The menu bar at the top of the page can be used to view transaction methods, exchange rates, and Forex news. Further down the homepage, you will also find download links for the mobile application and highlights of recent customer reviews. International money transfers and currency conversions can be expensive, time-consuming, and risky. In most cases, DirectFX makes money transfers for clients who are moving to different countries, or businesses who need to pay international clients. If you will be transferring money in your personal capacity, you can make use of DirectFX's personal money transfer service. DirectFX also offers competitive rates for international businesses, importers and exporters, and you will have access to professional advice every step along the way. The process is simple. All you need to do is register an account, state your requirements, choose an order type, and complete the transaction. Before you can request for a transaction to be made, an email must be sent to DirectFX stating the currency you need to sell, the currency you need to buy, the amount you need to buy or sell, and your required settlement date. Once that is done, one of the two order types must be chosen before your transaction can be completed. If you choose a market order, you will trade at the current market exchange rate. If you choose a limit order, the transaction will only be made the moment a specific exchange rate becomes available. You will receive a trade confirmation once the transfer is complete. Transfers generally take 1 to 2 business days to be processed. In general, the minimum exchange amount is 5,000 New Zealand dollars, or the foreign currency equivalent. However, this amount is negotiable depending on your individual requirements. To learn more about the transaction types DirectFX offers, hover your cursor over the Personal tab or the Business tab and head over to the Transfers page. DirectFX offers a mobile application that can be used to keep track of currency rates and quotes in real time, and requests deals directly from your mobile device. This application will also give you the latest currency news and expert commentary, and you will be able to follow your favorite currencies to keep track of their rates. The DirectFX mobile application can be downloaded for free from the Apple App Store or Google Play. The mobile application lets you monitor exchange rates wherever you are. However, you can also use the website to do your transactions, so it really just depends on what you prefer. Creating an account with DirectFX may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the DirectFX homepage, and then click on the Apply for an Account button. After you have chosen your preferred account type, you will want to complete their online application form. Next, verify your account and email address, and once your account is verified and set up, head over to their client portal to explore the products offered and make your first transfer. DirectFX provides all the latest updates in Forex news, with overviews of currency pairs and weekly highlights. You can also get live charts and market commentary by using DirectFX's Global Currency Chart, which lets you compare different currencies and track their activities over different timeframes. If you need to add more depth to your charts, there are dozens of indicators that you can use, and many chart styles, to help you visualize price movements in a way that works best for you. Overall, if you are tired of paying expensive Forex rates and you are not sure about which service provider to use, you can easily get a free quote from DirectFX to help you find the right product for you. The team of advisors at DirectFX are happy to negotiate terms based on your individual needs. And this company is focused on giving its clients the best possible currency rates. DirectFX will never tell you which currencies you should buy. However, the team of advisors will gladly give you professional advice by explaining what drives exchange rates, the strategies you can implement to reduce your risks, and the transaction methods you can use. They will explain recent and historical levels of the currencies you are interested in, as well as the choices, benefits, and risks of specific foreign exchange products. But the advisors cannot and will not try to predict the future, and the final choice will always be up to you. DirectFX has been around for many years and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading through the terms and conditions of joining any broker before you make any financial commitments. And that is our overview of DirectFX. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.